Oh, oui, oui. Welcome in the chef with the big PP. Hey, how you doing? What are you doing here? Come on to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Omelette du Fromage, okay? Today we're gonna be bringing two classic meals together, okay? In a way that I'm pretty sure you've never seen. Never. There are no videos on the internet about what I'm about to make for you today. At all. Don't look it up. Please. We are going to be making French cuisine omelette du fromage, but with an American / Mexican twist. Hold on, wait, is Taki Mexican for real? Or is it?
I think so.
With a classic French item with a Mexican twist. If it's not Mexican, then it is American trying to be Mexican. What am I doing? Alright, we have our eggs, we have our bowl, our whisk. Alright, I know that in America this is not known as a whisk, but in French, I guarantee this is a fork. Okay, and in here we have the why are they open? Who the f***'s been eating the ingredients? Moving on. I think we have enough to work with in here. And now we will make do as a good chef does, okay? Alright, so first what you're gonna want to do is get your bowl. Alright? Then you want to get your eggs. See, we got it right here. Medium eggs. French medium eggs, okay? Don't disregard the logo on the top. Alright? Alright, now, to get a perfect French omelet, you have to be very gentle with the egg. You have to treat this thing like it's your own testicle. And for the ladies out there, just treat it very nicely, okay? Alright? Alright, here we go. 2, 1. I'm sure the maid will clean it. The next one. Having some technical difficulties. There we go. Alright. We got a bit of shell in there. Yep. Don't show them that. Listen, we'll take the shell out, okay? For those of you who don't like the added nutrients, we'll take the shell out, okay? Alright. Oh, come on. Who the f*** uses hand towels? Alright. So, we have your omelets, you have your eggs in here, right? And now we're gonna whisk them with our whisk. With our French whisk. You getting that? That's some French cuisine action going on right there. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you see that? Circular motions, you know? Gotta, you know? Gotta pick up the pace a little bit. Alright, so we have our eggs there. Now, you're probably thinking, how are we gonna do Taki? You know, are we gonna put whole ass Takis in there? No, you idiot. Okay, we're gonna be, first of all, take your perfectly clean cutting board, right? Just lay them on there, like so. And just mush them, you know, don't be afraid to really get your hands in there. That's the mark of a good chef, you know, that's why I keep my shit all the way up here, you know, you gotta just, you know what, take back what I said, just put it in the bag, sure the maid will clean it. You know what? Take your pot, right, and just really get crushed enough. Now what you're going to want to do is take some of that, you know, and just kind of sprinkle some of that in there in the yolk. You're probably thinking, why do I want to do that? Because you want it to the DNA of the Taki to blend in with the egg. You know, you don't just want it as like a topping. You want that shit in there. You want it to taste like Takis. Am I right? I know I'm right. So we got our little blend in there. You know, you want to, you know, move it around. You can kind of invigorate that flavor. You're probably wondering, why not use the red Takis? You could do it with red Takis too, but like blue Taki omelet, like I said, never been seen before. Never been seen before. Next, you get your butter. Actually, good as hell. All right, and you take your throwaway plastic forks. You know, if you got them, which, you know, if you want to save a quick buck, you know, some plastic forks, some plastic everything, some styrofoam everything. You know, it's cheap. Throw it away when it's done. Boom. Who says you need to have actual china and silverware to be a great chef? You know what I'm saying? All right, we're gonna let that butter heat up, and once that's melted, you know, we'll proceed. We can go ahead and put our Takis in there. You know what I'm saying? All right. Doesn't that look delectable? Now, listen, it looks a little crazy, but don't knock it till you try it, okay? Now, you know, this isn't as dusted as I was hoping it'd be. That's better. Alright, now, as it's cooking, this is an important step right here, right? You take your now freshly powdered Takis, and you sprinkle it as it's cooking on there. Alright? Really make it the star of the show. I'm not gonna lie to you, right now it really looks like Grinch vomit. But, believe me, we French. We're not always so pretty, but it's what's on the inside. We love all people, including the French. The French I'm talking about are the fake French, like me. Alright, now you're probably wondering, okay, it's an omelet with Takis on it. Sounds good. How's it du fromage? I'm glad you asked. So, hopefully this is ready to be flipped. Please tell me it's ready to be flipped. I just want to flip you, girl, all night long. Please don't break. I'll flip you though, girl. Come on. Should we go for it?
If you want to wait a few seconds.
Yeah, a great chef is patient. See, I was just testing y'all. Better agree with me. Yeah, let me give it a moment, like a moment's rest, you know? How you doing? Doing good?
Oh, me? Babe!
Alright, come on, y'all. We're gonna do it. Oh, yeah, bitch. Oh, yeah, bitch. I'm under you. Ah! That flip, though. That flip, though. Like a WWE off the top ropes. Alright. Now that we have that done, we will get du fromage. American cheese on our omelette du fromage. The French and Americans, once again, are in synchrony. And we're not done though. We're gonna let that do its thing. We're gonna let that cook down, melt on itself, right? You're probably thinking, what are you doing? You're insane. Watch me. Beautiful. Now let that cook on its sides on both sides. Let the Takis actually develop a crunch and magnifique, oui oui, so big, haha. You have a Taki omelet. A blue Taki omelet. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. The egg's still soft, while the Takis themselves, Taki bits, are now nice and crunchy. And then you put it on the plate. And for the regular Takis, just rinse and repeat the same steps, like so. Oh yeah. You know, to really sell that du fromage, some triple cheddar cheese or any cheese of your liking. You know, and then some of that unused blue Taki dust from from that thing that we didn't use, and the heat from the egg would then start to melt the cheese, and voila, you have a beautifully crafted omelette du fromage. Beautiful. Look at that. It kind of looks like a pizza.
It's almost as if you used the wrong accent.
You almost got me there. That is, and so this is it. This is, I was going to use this plate, but I decided to look at it together. This is the Taki omelette du fromage. Alright, but we're not like other chef channels out there. I'm not just gonna tell you, hey, it's good. Trust me, bro. We're gonna try that bitch. Let's start with the blue one. You know, that's my favorite Taki flavor. Nice little crunch in there. Oh, that's good. We definitely could have. I should have put more cheese in this one, just like I did this one. This one I used 2 whole cheeses. This one I only used 1, and then I sprinkled this cheese on top, which honestly did not help its case. But this shit tastes like Takis and eggs. Would you like to try?
Sure.
All right, open wide.
That's good.
Yeah, you could be really honest.
No, that's actually delicious.
And it has the kick still because you sprinkled it. Not only did you mix it in there to get the actual flavor of the powder and the Taki in there, right? Not only did you do that, by sprinkling it on top while it's cooking, you're allowing it to still retain some of that heat. And it makes for a nice payoff. Now we're gonna try the red one, the classic Taki flavor. Yes, I know I could be using a fork, but we're spooning it, okay? We're spooners out here. Yeah, that extra cheese plus the red Taki flavor, it works really well. Yeah.
That one's even better.
Yeah, this one's your favorite one? You know what? I have to give it to the red one, but the blue one's also very tasty. Very tasty one. So, If you want to make your breakfasts interesting and a little bit spicy, and you happen to have your favorite bag of Takis, go ahead. Make yourself a nice Taki omelet and let me know what you thought. Alright, this has been Chef du Fromage, aka Chef James, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye for now. Bye bye. Goodbye. Tour's over. Why are you walking so slow? Goodbye. Goodbye.